Over to some political stories. The political temperatures are soaring after Congress MP Rahul Gandhi launched a twin attack against the Modi government over the alleged Chinese incursions in Arunachal Pradesh and raging farmer protests. The BJP quickly hit back at the Grand Old Party, saying that it was Congress that had gifted land to China and was misleading farmers.
Rahul Gandhi, back from his New Year break, fires the first salvo at his first press conference since the lockdown. He targeted the Narendra Modi government mainly on two issues: alleged Chinese intrusion in Arunachal Pradesh and farmer protest. The Congress MP accused the Prime Minister of failing to protect Indian territory.
अगर चाइना को क्लियर मैसेज हिंदुस्तान ने नहीं दिया, अगर हिंदुस्तान ने क्लियर अपने दिमाग में स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं बनाई, चाहे वो मिलिट्री स्ट्रैटेजी हो, चाहे वो इकोनॉमिक स्ट्रैटेजी हो, चाहे वो जियोपॉलिटिकल स्ट्रैटेजी हो, तो चाइना चुप नहीं बैठेगा.
BJP President JP Nadda had lashed out at the Gandhis long before Rahul's press meet. The party followed it up with a press meet of its own.
अरुणाचल की भूमि जो गई चीन के कब्जे में किसने दी? अक्साई चीन के कब्जे में कैसे गया? चीन से अपने प्राइवेट निजी ट्रस्ट को पैसा किसने लिया? दूतावास के घर जाकर कौन बैठे थे जब देश लड़ाई में था? सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल की स्थायी सदस्यता जो भारत को मिल रही थी, वो चीन को किसने बहाल की? सवाल बहुत है, नड्डा जी ने पूछे, उसका जवाब नहीं आपके पास.
Rahul Gandhi also trained his guns on the Modi government over farmer protests.
Why are the farmers of Punjab and the farmers of Haryana standing there? Who are they? They are the patriots of this country who are protecting the livelihood of 60% of this country. I 100% support them.
आज देश का किसान अगर गरीब रहा तो किनके नीति के चलते गरीब रहा? 50 साल कांग्रेस ने जो विनाशकारी अर्थनीति चलाई, उसके कारण किसान गरीब हुआ, उसके उपज का कभी मूल्य नहीं दिया. सरकार और किसान की वार्ता सफल हो, यह कांग्रेस नहीं चाहती.
What stood out was the lack of coordination in opposition ranks. Rahul Gandhi's was the only big voice to take up alleged Chinese encroachments in Arunachal Pradesh.
Rahul Gandhi is back at the center stage of opposition politics after a brief break. The Congress leader has launched a fresh attack against the centre, only to be hit back by the ruling BJP. Budget session of the parliament is round the corner, and to take on the might of Modi regime, Rahul Gandhi needs to bring allies on board. With camera person Ajay Thakur, this is Anand Patel in New Delhi for India.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.